Hi friends, ready to be a math detective? Let's find the missing number in this pattern table. We have a top row and a bottom row. Look closely at how the numbers change from top to bottom. Pause the video now if you want to try to resolve it before listening to the explanation. Okay, let's find the rule. Look at the first column. How do we get from 4 to 14? If we multiply 4 by 3, we get 12, then add 2, that's 14. Let's check. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26. It works. So the rule is top number times 3 plus 2 equals bottom number. Now let's work backward for our mystery box. Start with 23, do the opposite. 23 minus 2 is 21. What times 3 equals 21? It's 7. The missing number is 7, which is option C. The concept here is input and output rules and using inverse operations to work backward. You made it! Great job, detective! Like and subscribe for more math fun. See you next time.